Hi there. This is a walkthrough that should help you through Grader 5. I'm going to start on step 2. On the Subtotals worksheet, I'm going to sort. So I'm going to do that on the Data tab. I'm going to click on Sort, and I'm going to sort it by type and then by title. So by type, and then add a level, and by title. Both of them A to Z, and we're good to go. Then I'm going to turn on subtotals, and I'm going to subtotal by type to determine the maximum. So I'm going to change this to max and turn on the fields issue price and estimated value. That gives me these additional controls over here, and you should be able to do step 4 on your own. I'm going to switch over to the art sheet, and I'm going to create a blank pivot table. So I'm going to go Insert, Pivot Table. That's all good. Click OK. I'm going to name the worksheet Sold Out. So I'm going to right click, rename it Sold Out. And I'm going to change the name of the pivot table to Average Price by Type. I'm going to add in the type, the issue price, and the estimated value fields. And I'm going to make this region a little wider so I can see the names better. I'm going to make some changes down here to the sum of issue price. So I'm basically doing steps 7 and 8 together. So I'm going to go Value Field Settings. I'm going to take out the word of. I'm going to change it from sum to average. And then I'm going to go into number format, and I'm going to change it to currency with 0 decimal places. And I'm going to do the same with the second field. Take out the word of, change it from sum to average, change the number format to currency with 0 decimal places. Then I'm going to add in a calculated field. I leave the name as it is, but I change the formula. I'm going to back up over that 0 and the space. I need a bracket. I need estimated value. Minus issue price. Close the bracket, divided by issue price, and OK. Then I drag it up so that it ends up displaying in column C. And I make some changes to it like I did for the other two fields. I bring up Value Field Settings. I change the name. And I change the number format to percentage with 2 decimal places. And that looks good. Step 11 you can do on your own. Step 12, move the sold out field into the filters area. So grab sold out, move it down into filters. And then over here under filters, I can set it to yes and OK. Step 13 you can do on your own. Step 14 and 15 and 16 are all pretty easy. So you're going to insert a slicer, a timeline, Those are up here under the Analyze tab. You're also going to insert a pivot chart, and all of that should be fairly doable, so I think you're good to go.